Good morning. Today is Monday, May the 11th, 2020. We are on day 29 in our CMS packet. And your screen looks a little bit different this morning because I want to share some information with you, a cool video about spiders. And I'm going to be reading some information as the video is playing. But before we move on to learning more about spiders, I want to remind you about what we talked about last week. We learned about food chains, and we learned that food chains are a way that energy is transferred from plants to animals. Okay, that's how when animals eat, they are getting energy. They have to eat so that they have energy to survive. On Friday, you learned about giraffes, and you learned that giraffes are herbivores. Giraffes eat only plants because they have the long necks. They're able to eat the leaves in tall trees, and that's how they survive. So today, after watching this video and learning some more information about spiders, I want you to create a T-chart where you are comparing how giraffes and spiders get their energy. So you're going to make a T-chart in your journal. One side will say giraffes, the other side will say spiders. And for instance, there's going to be ways that they are alike and there's going to be ways that they're different. Okay, for example, they are alike because spiders and giraffes both need food to survive. Okay, they both have to consume some sort of food in order to get energy to survive. So, reminder, when you get done watching this video, you are going to go to your journal and make that T-chart, okay? So let's begin the video. I want to tell you that spiders have a scientific name. They are an arachnid, all right? So you're going to hear that word arachnid in just a moment, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and begin the video. Spiders are not insects. They belong to the arachnid family that includes scorpions, mites, and ticks. Spiders are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. There are approximately 40,000 different species of spiders. Spiders produce silk, which is used to create spider webs and capture their prey. Unused or abandoned spider webs are known as cobwebs. Most spiders are harmless to humans, but a few, like the Brazilian wanderer and the black widow, can cause human deaths. The fear of spiders is called arachnophobia. The large hairy spiders that you see in movies and challenge shows on TV are called tarantulas. The skeleton of a spider is located outside the body. Spiders do not have noses or ears. They are able to sense vibrations through touch and sounds through the tiny hair that covers their bodies. Along with their muscles, spiders use their blood pressure as well to move. A female spider can lay up to 2,000 eggs at a time. Spiders have also been sent to space. Even in the absence of gravity, they built perfect spider webs. The largest spider in the world is the giant bird-eating spider. It can be as big as a regular dinner plate. The smallest spider is the Patou marplesi. You can easily fit 10 of them on the end of a pencil. Spider silk is one of the strongest materials in the world. Scientists believe that it is even stronger than steel. Common spiders have only 6 eyes, but some spiders have as many as 8 eyes, while the cave-dwelling species have no eyes at all. Spiders can't digest solid foods. They must turn their meals into a liquid form with the help of digestive juices. People in South America eat tarantulas as a rich source of protein. That's the end. All right, friends. So thank you for watching the video. And your task is now to compare spiders and giraffes. Hope you found the video interesting. I thought it was a pretty cool video. And good luck with this task, guys. Have a great day.